Essential 8 framework is basically a way organizations can engage with their cybersecurity in meaningful ways. It's important to keep your business protected and also ensure business continuity, but also keep out of the way of legal ramifications if you're handling someone's personal data. And the Essential 8 is a very easy and digestible way to enter that field without having to break the bank, as they say. There are three things that you would consider before engaging with the Essential 8. The first on that list would be your multi-factor authentication, the little pop-up on your phone to ensure that it's you who is logging into your account. The second on my list would be a vulnerability scanner. And this is just a piece of software that sits on your computer and will help detect vulnerabilities. This is license-based and the cost of it will be based on how many computers you have. Third, for me, is backups. You want to ensure that you're taking backups of your important data and then checking those and validating them to make sure that they work. To start your Essential 8 journey, I'd recommend Googling it and going through the top 8 Essential 8 pillars, and they will be a great starting place to ensure that you're improving your cybersecurity. If you go through that list and your eyes glaze over a little bit and you're a bit confused, that's where Netway can step in. Netway offers consultations, and we're able to go through this, demystify the Essential 8 for you.